Challenge of Germany. Lack of interaction between a power distributor and EV consumers is responded by Belarus and its team's project, E-Mobility.
Yes, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Florian Beutel and I'm from Germany. As some of you know, in Germany we have a big change of our electricity system. So what we think fossil resources are no longer the solution of all. So that's why we installed a lot of renewables in our grid to produce clean energy. The second step would be the change of the mobility. Our mobility is built up to now on fossil fuels like diesel or gas, as you know. Electrical vehicles, as you can see, have a lot of advantages, but we also know there are some issues going to be solved in the future, and one main task is how could we integrate so many cars in our grid. And I think the Belarus team have some answers for us.
Florian, thank you very much. And once more again, hello everyone. My name is Ivan, and my colleague Vladimir and I will present you the results of Belarus team work. 2 months ago, in April, during our visit in Moscow, we took this challenge. We worked on it until yesterday evening, and we have considered different business models. And now we present you the most cost-effective digital solution. We named it the digital solution for German grid. We named D-Mobility. D-Mobility is meaning Deutschland e-mobility. Thank you. So, our main purpose is to help both EV owners and grid companies. From the one side of the challenge, the number of EV increased rapidly. The head of Germany, Angela Merkel, and also I believe that in 2020 we will have more than 1 million electric vehicles in Germany. Right now, in Germany, there are 50,000 electric vehicles. Look on the map. You will see that electric vehicle is most popular in Bavarian region and Baden-Württemberg region. So, from the other side of the challenge, energy system consists of different grid companies, such as transmission system operators, distribution system operators, electricity producers, and energy market. The energy market is very important company for us. Vladimir, please tell us why the energy market is so important for our project.
With pleasure, Ivan. So, please have a look to the slide, and you will find 2 lines. The red line is known to us information. This is generation consumption balance. But more interesting for us, lower green line. That is market price changing during the day. You see that there are some minimum peaks there, and it means that we have losses. We are not able to make influence on our load, on our consumer. It is our dream, but sorry. But electric vehicles, which come to our market, give us some possibilities. Every owner of every vehicle have to charge his car for 4 or 5 hours, but normally it connected to the network about 15 hours per day. So we can move a bit this charging time and to do it in good time points for us. Today, this structure known as structure which show us connection electric vehicles to the network. It did not change for a pretty long time. We want to change it a bit. We want to organize information channels and smart system, which will have information from a power grid, I mean generation, consumption, power flows, and of course every charging device will send information through different channels. For example, we mentioned GPRS channel, and then the system will react, switch on or switch off every vehicle through charging device. So we created a math model of it, where we used a lot of data, capex, opex. Also we used how much time we need to charge device, how much money every customer spends, a lot. And we found interesting result. In case of 200,000 vehicles will be connected to our system, the payback period will be around 4 years. That is something very good. And very interesting that in our model we used OPEX data, which included 200 euro cashback to every car owner. So every year, every person will have this amount. So that is something which made him to work with us. For pilot project, we would like to suggest Baden-Württemberg region, because it has a very good developed car industry, and the main is covered by one system operator. The similar system already exists in Germany, in Schneider Electric Smart Campus in Berlin, and they are testing it successfully. We would like to use the same equipment and scale it, and to connect not like 100 electric vehicles, but 200 electric vehicles. It's more complicated system, but we are ready to work with this. And finally, I'm last speaker here, and thank you everybody, and let's bring some green energy to our life, and let's make our cats smile.
Thank you. Thank you for your presentation. Please, the jury members, if you have any questions or comments, you're welcome. Yes, please,
Мне вопрос такой. Тут так в целом очень интересная презентация. Мне кажется, такой совершенно мотивирующий бонус для пользователя автомобиля. А все-таки домобилити технически это что?
So technically, it's smart system. So it's dispatcher point with some cubicles, servers. So we have already we have dispatcher point which includes all information about our power system, and but we don't have information from charging device. How much electric vehicles are there? Every electric vehicles has of course charging point. In charging point we have metering system, and we should have communication channel. So through this communication channel we will see, so okay, this amount of vehicles are connected, and we can make some influence to switch on and switch off every which we want. Of course, very important that we know that a person should have charged car, for example, at the morning at 7 a.m. So, of course, we will use this information to make more comfortability to him.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Please take a seat.